Welcome to Jones Sign, a name synonymous with quality and innovation in the signage industry since 1910. Jones Sign represents over a century of dedication and excellence with a legacy of crafting signage and architectural elements that stand the test of time.
When people come to me and ask what the biggest differentiator is about Jones Sign and our competitors is, number one, we're reliable. So that means that we have to provide a quality product on time, a safe product that will last the test of time.
Being in business for over 110 years shows an incredible amount of staying power. Having locations throughout the United States and in Mexico that can fabricate a national resource in terms of project management, a national resource in terms of installation and field operations. I like to say that we're a national company, but we are able to give you local service. We have a project management team throughout the country that's strategically positioned to be able to handle clients while providing that technical ability throughout all of our fabrication facilities. And that just comes with age and development and maturity and growth.
Jones Sign's extensive range of services encompasses design, due diligence, surveying, permitting, manufacturing, installation, and dedicated service, all delivered through a unified approach, ensuring a seamless and efficient experience for clients.
We can do it all. We can come up with your design, we can build the construction drawings, we can permit it, take it through fab, survey, install. There's really nothing we can't do under this roof. We have a world-class permitting department. They do things that I've never seen any other permitting department do. They have great relationships with municipalities, and they get the tough permit.
Jones Sign's expertise extends far beyond traditional signage. Their ability to blend art with technology results in impactful, memorable experiences that resonate with audiences and distinguishes their clients in a crowded marketplace.
We are incorporating a brand beyond just the word mark or beyond just the name of a client. We're looking at everything that is part of that brand, from artistic pieces to murals and color selection, and how we can take on maybe fascia elements in combination with signage, canopies, awning structures, even interior, and the experience that an entertainment venue may give you when you walk inside of an entertainment venue, that we get to be part of creating that experience for the consumer.
Each Jones Sign employees perform at the highest level to ensure the products they create are not only of superior quality, but also embody the excellence that Jones Sign stands for. This commitment to quality is evident in every sign and architectural element they produce.
There's a lot of pride taken in being able to see the final product that you're putting out, whether it be on TV or just driving down the road. We really expanded our capabilities to design projects better, to be more efficient for us and a better outcome for the customer as well.
One of the things that's really neat about what we do is we get to see the results of our work. And let's take Dodger Stadium, right? Every time we watch SportsCenter and see home runs go out of that ballpark, you go, we did that.
Obviously, our people have been incredible. The loyalty, the longevity of our workforce here, to keep all that knowledge so we have that knowledge for the future has just been outstanding. I would say that's probably the number one thing that I would be most proud of, is that we have the people to pull off some of these really cool projects.